Hello, my name is Whitney Morales, and today I'm going to be explaining about grammatical functions like the direct object, indirect object, and the oblique object. So let's get started. Now, the first one is the direct object. This one is a noun or pronoun, follows an action verb, and receives the action of a verb. Now, how can we identify a direct object? We can identify it by asking who or what about an action verb. Let's see some examples. Brian threw the tennis ball. Now, what did Brian throw? The tennis ball. So the tennis ball is the direct object. The second, Lisa and James served macaroons and cheesecake for dessert. Now, Lisa and James serve what? Macaroons and cheesecake. So macaroons and cheesecake are the direct object. Now let's note something important. A direct object is never an adverb or the object of a preposition. Like, for instance, Lisa walked her dog. Here, I already know which one is the direct object, dog. But in the second one, it says, Lisa walked quickly. So quickly is the adverb, not the direct object. Or Lisa walked to the park. To the park is a prepositional phrase, no a direct object. Now, direct objects always have transitive verbs. That means an action verb with a direct object. The second one is the indirect object. This is a noun or pronoun and tells who or to what or for who or for what the action verb is done. Now let's see some examples. We can identify an indirect object by asking for who or for what the action verb is done. First example, Jenna sent her mother a bouquet of flowers. So I may ask the question, Jenna sent to who or to whom a bouquet of flowers? Her mother. So her mother is the indirect object. Jeff bought me an engagement ring. Jeff bought an engagement ring. To who or to whom? Me. So me is the indirect object. Now, indirect objects always have intransitive verbs, an action verb with no direct object. Now, the oblique object, also known as the object of a preposition. This one is a noun or a noun phrase related to a verb, be a preposition. If the beneficiary of a verb is the complement of, to, or for example, it is an oblique. Now let's see some examples. The oblique object, also called object of preposition, can be similar as the indirect object. However, the difference is that this one occurs in a prepositional phrase. Remember that the indirect object is the one that tells us for who or for what the action verb is done. The oblique object or object of preposition is the one that is the complement of a preposition in a phrase. So we have here some examples. Lily made a colorful blanket to me. So we have to me as the oblique, to the preposition me, the oblique object. We have to go to the market for some food supplies. Now here we have two obliques or object of preposition, but here also we have an infinitive verb to go. So we need to be careful because sometimes we make the confusion that to go is the oblique. No, we have the infinitive verb. But remember that the oblique object is the one that is the complement of a preposition in any phrase, any noun phrase. So here we have to the market, to the preposition, market, the oblique. For the preposition, food supplies is the oblique. So that's it. I know it's a short explanation, but it is useful. Hope that you like the video, that this information works for you, and I'll see you the next time.